Here we are on the notes for 4.12, distributing expressions. So it starts on page 14 of your note packet, but we're actually going to skip down to page 16. So 16 uses kind of a visual model. For some of you, you won't really need this. Some of you, it's just a good way to start to figure this out. So it says, write an expression in an expanded form that is equivalent to the model below. So we have this y and we have this 4x plus 5. So what you're thinking is that this is multiplying. So we're taking the y times the 4x, so that would be 4xy, and then the y times the 5, which would be 5y, and then we still have this plus sign in the middle. So our expanded expression would be 4xy plus 5y. Okay? If we look down at example 4, write an expression that is equivalent to 3 and in parentheses 7d plus 4e. So you can start by using a visual model. Doesn't hurt. So we have a 3 and then we have a 7d and a 4e. So again, the idea is to multiply. So 3 times 7d would be 21d. And then 3 times 4e would be 12e. So in our expanded form, it would be 21d plus 12e. Okay? And then we've got two more on the bottom of the page. We'll do two more models here. Create a model for each expression below, then write another equivalent expression using the distributive property. So I need two boxes. I have a 3, an x, and a y. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times y is 3y. So when I write it out, 3x plus 3y. And then the last one here, I've got my boxes. And I have a 2h and a g, and then the 4 on the outside. So 4 times 2h would be 8h, and then 4 times g would be 4g. So we have 8h plus 4g. And then you can go ahead and flip the page. So on the next page, we just have a few more examples here, and we're going to move away from using the visual model, because some of you have probably just figured it out by now. So what I like to draw, though, are arrows, right? So when we're distributing, we're giving this number 8 to both parts of the inside of the parentheses. So I like to draw an arrow to both parts so I don't forget. So 8 times h be 8h plus 8 times 3 is 24. In the next one, I'm distributing this 3 to both parts. So 3 times 2h is 6h plus 3 times 7 is 21. In the next part, I'm distributing the 5 to both parts. So 5 times 3 is 15x. 5 times 9y would be plus 45y. All right, and then we'll do two more here. So number 6, I am distributing the 4 to both parts. 4 times 11h is 44h plus 4 times 3g would be 12g. And then I want to jump down to number 8 here. So 8, I'm asked to distribute an A. So it's the same thing as what we've been doing. It's just a letter now. So A times 9B would be 9AB plus A times 13 would be 13A. You remember we have talked about how the letters should go after the numbers. So for the first portion, you wouldn't want to write 9AB or 9A, 9B. It's not good math grammar. Okay, so we wouldn't want to do that. So that's all I'll do in the notes for now, and then we'll do some more practice together in the classwork.